Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Fiji style coconut steam pudding or Purini. So let's get started. I've got here 3 cups of self-rising flour which I have sifted, a cooking spray, 1 can of coconut milk or you can use coconut cream, 2 cups of raw sugar and 50 grams of butter which I have chopped. You will also need a pudding steamer or you can use any cake tin, a piece of foil, some hot water, a piece of string which is optional and some baking paper or you can use butter. Place a pot on medium heat, add sugar and cook it until all the sugar crystals have melted, stirring it frequently. Turn the heat off and continue stirring it for 1 minute to cool down the caramel slightly. Add half the coconut milk and give it a mix. At this stage, it will splatter and the caramel will become lumpy and hard. Add the remaining coconut milk and give it a mix. Put the heat back on medium and continue stirring until the caramel is lump-free and starts to boil. Turn the heat off, transfer it into a heat-proof jug and let it cool down completely. The caramel has cooled down completely. Now it's time to make our pudding. Take your cake tin or a pudding steamer, spray it with some cooking spray, line it with some baking paper and spray it with some cooking spray again. Or you can use some butter if you like. Take self-rising flour in a large dish, add butter and rub the butter and the flour together until combined. Add half the caramel and mix it using a spoon. Add the remaining caramel and mix it well to combine. Scrape the batter into the prepared cake tin and tap it twice on the benchtop. Take a piece of foil, spray it with some cooking spray and use it to cover the top of the batter. Scrunch the foil on the sides and press it firmly. To keep the foil in place, tie it with a piece of string which is optional and put it aside while we get the steamer ready. Place a large wok or a pot on medium heat. Place a trivet or some egg rings in the bottom. Add some hot water. Put the lid on and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, take the lid off. Carefully place the pudding on the trivet and check the water level. It should come halfway up the sides of the cake tin. Top it with extra hot water if needed. Put the lid on and steam it for 1 hour. Always keep an eye on the water level and have extra hot water ready if needed. After 1 hour, turn the heat off. Carefully take the pudding out and place it on the benchtop. To see if the pudding is cooked, insert a skewer or a toothpick in the center of the pudding. If it comes out clean, it means that the pudding is ready. But if your pudding is not cooked, steam it for a further 15 minutes and check it again. My pudding is ready. Let it cool for 30 minutes in the cake tin or the pudding steamer. After 30 minutes, the pudding is still slightly warm. Take it out on a plate and it is ready to serve. My Fiji style steamed coconut pudding or Purini is ready and you can serve it warm or cold on its own or with some icing sugar dusted on the top. You can even serve it with some custard, vanilla ice cream or some butter spread on the top as well. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.